fragmentation pattern for the aliphatic ketones. What is the mass spectrum of aliphatic ketone? The mass spectrum of aliphatic ketone shows generally intense molecular ion. Again shows aliphatic ketone shows intense molecular ion, strong molecular ion in the mass spectrum. What is the fragmentation? What are the principal mode of fragmentation for the aliphatic ketone? Aliphatic ketone undergoes three different fragmentation. It undergoes the fragmentation in three different ways. The first way of fragmentation in aliphatic ketone is alpha cleavage. The first mode of fragmentation in aliphatic ketone is alpha cleavage. Consider this is the aliphatic ketone. It has two different alkyl groups. One alkyl group is a larger, one alkyl group is a smaller. If after the electron ionization, if it undergoes electron ionization, there is a formation of molecular ion take place. If there is a formation of this molecular ion take place, then this molecular ion undergoes loss of larger alkyl group as a radical. This alpha cleavage occurs. Alpha cleavage occurs by loss of larger alkyl group as a radical. There is a formation of acyl carbocation take place. This acylium ion is formed. Then this acylium ion further undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. The acylium ion formed, it undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. There is a formation of carbocation fragment take place. The loss of carbon monoxide it is a secondary fragmentation. The primary fragmentation is alpha cleavage. What is the mass spectrum? The mass spectrum of aliphatic ketone shows strong molecular ion peak. What is the principal mode of fragmentation for the aliphatic ketones? Aliphatic ketone undergoes fragmentation in three different ways. The first way of fragmentation is alpha cleavage. After the formation of molecular ion, it undergoes alpha cleavage by loss of alkyl group. In aliphatic ketone, the carbonyl attached to different alkyl group. In alpha cleavage, the preference for the loss of alkyl radical, generally which alkyl group eliminate as a radical? The larger alkyl group eliminate as a radical, and there is a formation of acylium ion fragment take place. Further, this acylium ion fragment undergoes the loss of carbon monoxide, the carbocation fragment is formed. The smaller alkyl group also eliminate as a radical, again acylium ion is formed. Both alkyl groups are eliminated as a radical, but which acylium ion generally more stable? The larger alkyl group eliminate as a radical to form acylium ion. This fragmentation is a low energy fragmentation as compared to the loss of smaller alkyl group as a radical. This is the first way of fragmentation for the aliphatic ketone. Consider the second way of fragmentation. What is the second way of fragmentation? Is the Mac-Lafferty. The Mac-Lafferty rearrangement. The second way of fragmentation in aliphatic ketones are Mac-Lafferty fragmentation. What is the condition for Mac-Lafferty fragmentation? For the Mac-Lafferty fragmentation, the given carbonyl compound should require gamma hydrogen atom. One of the alkyl side chain, this alkyl side chain or this alkyl side chain have at least 3 carbons or have at least one gamma hydrogen atom. Then it undergoes the Mac-Lafferty fragmentation to gives the fragment ion and mass to charge ratio generally even. The Mac-Lafferty fragment ion generally form at even mass number. Consider the example. One of the alkyl side chain attached to this compound in this ketone have the gamma hydrogen atom. alpha, beta, and this is the gamma. After the electron ionization, it undergoes carbonyl oxygen intramolecularly abstract the gamma hydrogen atom. The breaking of alpha beta bond occurs. Neutral alkene eliminate to fuse the Mac-Lafferty fragment ion at mass to charge ratio. There is a formation of fragment ion at mass to charge ratio is even number. Mac-Lafferty fragment ion is odd electron fragment ion, but their mass to charge ratio is even. This is the second way of fragmentation in aliphatic ketones. The first one is alpha cleavage and the second one is Mac-Lafferty rearrangement. This Mac-Lafferty rearrangement should require gamma hydrogen atom. The carbonyl compound having gamma hydrogen, the aliphatic ketone. There is a two different alkyl side chains are present. On both alkyl side chain have the gamma hydrogen atom. Then in both there is a two different Mac-Lafferty rearrangement occurs. The Mac-Lafferty rearrangement occurs to give fragment ion. This fragment ion always have even mass number. What is the importance for the Mac-Lafferty fragmentation? The Mac-Lafferty fragmentation in aliphatic ketone are generally useful to distinguish different ketone compounds. We can distinguish isomeric ketone, the different ketone, with the help of Mac-Lafferty rearrangement. The isomeric ketone both have the gamma hydrogen atom undergoes Mac-Lafferty rearrangement to use the fragment ion. The Mac-Lafferty fragment ion at different mass to charge ratio. What is the importance of Mac-Lafferty rearrangement? Mac-Lafferty rearrangement in mass spectrum useful to distinguish the isomeric ketone. Similar to distinguish the isomeric aldehydes, it is useful to distinguish the isomeric ketone. With the help of Mac-Lafferty rearrangement, we can easily distinguish the isomeric ketone. For example, consider this ketone and consider the another ketone. How will you distinguish these two ketones by Mac-Lafferty rearrangement? This is the first carbonyl compound. This is the second carbonyl compound. Both compounds have same molecular formula. Their molecular ion generally form at same mass. Consider the molecular ion 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon. 6 into 12, 72. 1 oxygen, 60. 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 12. The 12 hydrogens. This molecular ion generally form at mass to charge ratio 100. If it undergoes Mac-Lafferty rearrangement, then it undergoes Mac-Lafferty rearrangement. The propene eliminated as a neutral molecule. There is a formation of fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 1, 2, 3 carbons. 3 into 12, 36. 36 plus oxygen 16. 36 plus 16, 52. 52 plus 1, 53. 53 plus 6, 56 and 56 plus 2, 58. This fragment ion has mass to charge ratio 58. Consider this compound also has molecular formula same and mass is same. Both compounds are isomeric ketone. Their molecular ion have mass to charge ratio 100. Then it undergoes Mac-Lafferty rearrangement. Consider it undergoes Mac-Lafferty rearrangement. Loss of ethylene as a neutral molecule and the fragment ion is formed at mass to charge ratio 72. Fragment ion, the Mac-Lafferty fragment ion in this ketone form at mass to charge ratio 72. 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbons. 4 plus 4 into 12, 48. 48 plus 16, 6 plus 2, 8. 64 plus 8, 72. Is with the help of Mac-Lafferty rearrangement, we can easily distinguish isomeric ketone. What is the third mode of fragmentation in ketone compound? Consider the third mode of fragmentation. Similar to aldehyde in ketone compound, consider this. If the ketone having more than 3 carbon chain, alpha, beta. If ketone having more than 3 carbon chain, then it undergoes cleavage of beta gamma bond. Cleavage of beta gamma bond. It is another mode of fragmentation to give resonance stabilized fragment type. We can draw the resonating structure for this fragment type. It is a conjugated carbocation is conjugated to carbon-carbon double bond. This fragment ion is formed. This is the third way of fragmentation. One of the alkyl side chain in aliphatic ketone is more than 3 carbons. Then cleavage of beta gamma bond occurs to resonance stabilized carbocation. This is the carbocation. We can write the anaerobic resonance form by customers. In this resonance structures, carbocation is conjugated to carbon-carbon double bond. This is the third way of fragmentation in aliphatic ketone. Then consider the example for the fragmentations of aliphatic ketones. Consider the first example. This ketone, it gives the fragment type at mass to charge ratio 72, 57, 43 and 29. It shows the fragmentation mechanism. Consider the fragmentation. This first formation of molecular ion. It undergoes electron ionization. It undergoes electron ionization to produce molecular ion at mass to charge ratio 72. 4 carbons, 1 oxygen. 4 carbon, 4 into 12, 48, 60. 64 and 8 hydrogen, 72. Then it undergoes loss of methyl radical. There is the formation of fragment ion by alpha cleavage at mass to charge ratio 57. The difference between 72 and 57, 50. This fragment ion is formed. It further undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. Ethyl carbocation is formed, which have mass to charge ratio 29. After the formation of this molecular ion, consider it undergoes longest alkyl side chain eliminated as a radical, ethyl radical. This acyl carbocation is formed. It have mass to charge ratio 43. 2 carbons, 2 into 12, 24, 1 oxygen, 16, 24 plus 16, 40, 3 hydrogen, 43. This is the fragmentation for this compound. Then consider another example. Consider one more example. What are the structures of fragmentine at this mass to charge ratio? Consider the explanation of this genesis. The first, it undergoes electron ionization. First, it undergoes ionization to form molecular ion at mass to charge ratio 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon, 6 into 12, 72 plus 1 oxygen, 72 plus 16, 88. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 12, 88 plus 12, 100. Then it further undergoes loss of alkyls, longest alkyl side chain as a radical, and the first fragment ion is formed. It is acylium ion at mass to charge ratio 43. Again undergoes second alpha cleavage. Consider it undergoes second alpha cleavage, loss of methyl radical. The second alkyl group eliminated as a radical. There is a formation of fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 85. 100 minus 50, 85. This fragment ion is formed. Then what are the structures of fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 58? It is the fragment of, it is even number fragment ion. This fragment ion has even mass number. This indicates it is formed by Mac-Lafferty fragmentation. Then consider the Mac-Lafferty fragmentation. It is the molecular ion. The given carbonyl compound have gamma hydrogen, alpha, beta, and this is the gamma. Intramolecularly, oxygen abstract this hydrogen. Loss of alkene, propene eliminate, and there is a formation of this fragment ion take place at mass to charge ratio 58. These are the fragmentation mechanism for this genesis for these ions. What are the structures of fragment ion for these at this mass to charge ratio? This is the mechanism for fragmentation for this example. Then consider one more example. Consider one more example. Consider another example. This fragment ion formed at 86, 71, 58, 43. Then consider the mechanism for this fragmentation. It undergoes electron ionization. There is a formation of molecular ion take place at mass to charge ratio 86. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 12 is 5 carbons, 16. 1 oxygen. 1 into 16, 16. And 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. The 10 hydrogens, it have mass 86. After the formation of this, it undergoes loss of longest alkyl group as a radical formed by alpha cleavage. There is a formation of acylium ion at mass to charge ratio 43. This mass to charge ratio 43. It again undergoes second alpha cleavage. Consider this. It again undergoes second alpha cleavage. loss of methyl radical. There is formation of this acyl at mass to charge ratio 51. It again undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. Then fragment ion again formed at mass to charge ratio, loss of carbon monoxide. Propyl carbocation. We again have mass to charge ratio 43. And another last fragmentation is we have gamma hydrogen, alpha, beta and gamma. Intramolecularly it abstracts the gamma hydrogen atom. The Mac-Lafferty fragmentation occurs. Loss of ethylene. This fragment ion is formed. It has mass to charge ratio 58. These are the fragmentation pattern for the aliphatic ketones. In next lecture we discuss the fragmentation pattern